Let's look at the grammar practice worksheet on articles, and that is page 135. And before I explain the worksheet, I want to talk a little bit about articles, and specifically about the article the. The worksheet is based on the article the. And so there's a few important things about articles that I'm going to try to explain. So first, singular countable nouns always have an article. For example, the word car. Car is a singular countable noun. Okay, it's referring to only one, and it's something that I can count. And so that means I cannot say I am driving car. That is incorrect, because a singular countable noun always needs to have an article. So I can say I am driving a car, or I am driving the car. I cannot say I am driving car. Another example, ball. Ball is a singular countable noun. I cannot say I want ball. I need an article. So I can say I want a ball, or I can say I want the ball. But I do need an article because ball is a singular countable noun. Non-countable nouns and plural nouns do not require an article. For example, water. Water is not a countable noun, so it does not require an article. So here you have a choice. You can put an article or not, depending on whether you are being general or specific. So one sentence is, he drinks the water. This is a general statement. He drinks water. It's not being specific about what water he drinks. If you want to be specific, we need to use the article the. So he drinks the water. This is more specific about what water he drinks. So, for nouns that do not require an article, you can ask, is the noun general or specific? If the noun is general, then you will not use the. If the noun is specific, then you will use the. So, a couple examples for you. The first one, this is a general sentence, and the next one is a specific sentence. So, it is usually easy to find sand at the beach. Okay, so sand is something that we cannot count, so it does not need an article. In this sentence, we see that sand is being used generally to talk about sand in general, not about specific sand. So I'm not going to put an article here. The next sentence is specific. I need to vacuum the sand that is in the car. So here, we are referring to specific sand, sand that is in the car, so it needs an article, the. Another example, you need to keep milk in the refrigerator. This is a general sentence. It's saying, in general, people should keep milk in the refrigerator. The next sentence is more specific. The milk is in the refrigerator. So now it's specifically referring to milk that's in a particular refrigerator. And notice how in both of these sentences, refrigerator has the article the. And that is because refrigerator is a singular countable noun, and so it needs to have an article always. But milk is not countable, and so sometimes milk will have an article and sometimes it will not, depending on if the sentence is specific, the milk, or not specific, milk. One more example here. Flowers bloom in the spring. So this is a general statement about flowers. This next one is more specific. The flowers in your yard are beautiful. So because this is referring to specific flowers, then we need the article the. So now let's look at our worksheet. So you are going to look at these sentences and you have to decide if this sentence is being general or specific. And if it's general, then don't use an article. So you're going to put this strange symbol here, a circle with a line. That means no article. If it's specific, use the. So they give you two examples here. So you have something music we heard at the concert was awful. So I need to read this. I need to ask, is this a general statement or a specific statement? And I see that because they're referring in the sentence to specific music, it is a specific statement, so we need the. We need to put the article. The music we heard at the concert was awful. The next example, although they're cute, monkeys don't make good pets. So I need to choose, do I need the or no article? That's the circle with the line is no article. And this statement is a general statement. It's not about a specific monkey. It's about monkeys in general. So that means we do not want to use the article the. So the sentence does not need the. Although they're cute, monkeys don't make good pets. So you're going to have two choices when you're going through these questions. And so you're going to either write the, or you're going to put this symbol with a circle and a line if there's no article in that spot. So let me show you what this looks like in case you're still a little bit confused. You can see on number 1 here, I've put the symbol with the circle and the line because this is a general statement about wool and where it comes from. So I don't want to put the in that sentence. But in number 2, I wrote the because it's being specific about homework. So it says, I really enjoyed the homework we had last night. So those are your options, either the or nothing. So I hope that you are able to complete this. And again, the main question you're going to ask for each of these is this general or specific? And if it's general, you do not need an article. If it's specific, then you need the article the. Good luck.